Hi and welcome to Office Fluent. My name is Jan, and today we're going to take a look in our category Excel from Basics to Expert into diagrams. And I can already say inputting a diagram in Excel can be incredibly easy. Let's take a look. I do have for today like a small company trip planned. We do have a factory tour. We have 3 different workshops, a buffet, a vegetarian buffet, a coffee table, then an impulse lecture, childhood entertainment, a show barbecue, and a sushi bar. And of course, I'm as the planning person, I need to check all the prices and I make sure that management is okay with this cost. So, this is the program I would like to do, but now I need to present this, and presenting a list of things can work, but it also can say, I didn't do any presentation for you. So what I'm going to do is I'm quickly selecting all of these just per drag and drop, and then I'm clicking on Insert. And here I do have a variety of diagrams. And okay, I need to take a look at the percentages. All of this will be one budget, so probably a pie diagram will be nice. So clicking on the pie and then clicking on 2D pie, and here I have my diagram. This diagram is now layered above my table, which is not great. So I would like to move it a little bit, which can simply be done by drag and dropping the diagram a little more to the right. Okay, so now we have a diagram, we have our legend down here, we do have our pie diagram, and we have a title, which is great. But I would like to, for one, get the percentages here in the pie diagram, and also I don't need this down below because I have a problem with colors and I don't really get which is which, so I'd like to have the labels directly within the diagram. To do this, I'm just double clicking on the diagram, and now you will see there's a menu popping up on the right with it, which is the chart menu. And here I can say, okay, I don't need the chart title, and I also don't need the legend. But here in this series, I would like to enable data labels. And now by default it's value, which is great. Now I can see how much all of this costs. But like I said, I wanted the percentages. And because we don't have a label anymore, we will also activate category names, which now enter these program titles directly into the chart. Last but not least, now we have some labels in the chart and some out of the chart. So I'm going to label position and selecting outer end, and now we have everything outside. And now I can see the show barbecue will take 21% of the whole budget. So we also have the sushi bar in the evening. Maybe we can cut one of them to strictly reduce the cost. Of course, there are a lot of different variants of diagrams, so not every diagram should be a pie diagram. If I'm deleting this diagram for the moment, let's take a look at another type. I'm again selecting all of the data I have, going to Insert, and then I'm going to column. And I would like to have just a simple column diagram like this. And again, you can see we have our program titles down here and we have the prices up here. But now we can or might want to change different things. For example, we have here price. Price for what? What does it mean? If I double click here, first the chart menu will open and I can change my chart title here, or by double-clicking here again. So instead of price, we will call it price for program points. And now the title has changed. Also, we have here the price. Yeah, sure. Where can we change it? The legend, we can just disable it and it's gone. And finally, here in the series, which are the blue bars here, we can, for example, add a trend line, a vertical arrow bar, or simply the data labels. All right. You see, it's very easy to implement an easy diagram into an Excel sheet. If you want to know more about more complex diagrams or anything else, just comment down below and tell me, and I will create a video for that, just for you. And other than that, if you like this basic introduction, just leave a like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you next week. Bye bye.